We all know the exact feeling of panic that comes with the storage almost full notification. We delete old screenshots and duplicate photos, trying to manage a digital life we supposedly own. But the reality is, across the billions of people relying on cloud storage, almost nobody actually owns their digital memories. Tech giants offer 5 or 15 gigabytes of space for free, but that initial capacity functions as a loss leader. It's a hook designed to pull you and your data into an ecosystem where the exit costs only increase over time. Hosting massive amounts of data requires incredibly expensive server infrastructure. To offset those costs, big tech companies scan your uploads, compress the file sizes, and train their algorithms on your private images. Your photos fund their ad revenue. The traditional cloud model operates on a very simple transaction. Your memories are not your private property. They are the inventory being sold. Eventually, everyone hits the ceiling of that artificial free tier. Once you cross that line, you are effectively locked into a lifelong, recurring monthly subscription just to ensure your photos don't disappear. If we look at the third column here, we see where this model breaks down. For billions of people living in emerging markets, specifically places like Armenia and the broader CIS region, recurring monthly payments anchored to the US dollar create a massive financial barrier. The major players have built an ecosystem that largely ignores these users. If you live in one of these regions, you often lack a viable option that provides both data privacy and a local price point. Scaling digital privacy in these regions isn't a matter of lowering prices. It requires a structural departure from how storage is funded and maintained. NakMo is an Armenian startup challenging the monopolies with a different offer: 16 gigabytes of storage, uncompressed, with a guarantee of absolute privacy. These three pillars combine local storage with cloud intelligence to deliver smart features without peeking at data. This architecture diagram details their hybrid AI solution. Sensitive computations, like facial recognition, run locally on your phone. Your biometric data never touches the internet. Meanwhile, anonymous tasks are sent to cloud microservices. Separating personal identity from cloud processing ensures a user's digital vault remains mathematically unbreachable by advertisers. How does an independent company afford to host 16 gigabytes for free without selling your data? Cloud startups are often bankrupted by dead storage, the immense cost of hosting data for abandoned accounts. It's wasted infrastructure draining capital. NakMo manages this cost through the Karma system, tethering server access to engagement. Free users pay for space through daily logins or rewarded ads. If an account drops to 0 Karma, there's a 150-day recovery window before the data is deleted. This loop ensures every byte of free storage is occupied by an active user, directly contributing to the platform's revenue. This system creates a constant choice. As users interact with the app, they feel the daily friction of maintaining their Karma balance to keep their storage open. But for 99 cents a month, that friction disappears, bypassing the requirements entirely. And rather than fighting a war of attrition against Google in the US, NakMo is deploying this model in an underserved $520 million regional market that is addressable right now. The result is a self-sustaining ecosystem. It filters out inactive costs while simultaneously generating a stream of warm leads for its premium tier. This model recalibrates the relationship between user and provider. It trades transparent attention for server space, rather than trading secret data for free services. By aligning user activity directly with the cost of hardware, a lean startup can offer high-end privacy tools without the high-end subscription price. Data ownership and absolute privacy are possible at a global scale. We just had to change the currency we use to pay for the cloud.